Welcome to the ArmaniTalks YouTube channel. I'm your host, ArmaniTalks. In this channel, I'm covering communication skills for you to level up your way with words and become much more articulate. In today's episode, we are diving into the land of emotional intelligence, and I'm going to be talking about how to use Reddit to be more emotionally intelligent. We often don't need resolutions for a lot of our communication skills problems. We just need to know that someone else is experiencing the same thing that we're experiencing. There was this one day when I go to the barber to get my haircut, and I just recall that this guy was super rude. I went ahead and showed him a picture of the haircut that I wanted, and he just didn't seem like he cared. You could tell that whoever was on the other side of the phone that he was talking to was delivering some bad news to him, and I ended up showing up right when he was hearing the bad news. So he was taking out a lot of his aggression on me. I thought, man, I have to pay this guy too. I hope he does a good job, but I'm not holding my breath. Once he is done with the haircut, I immediately think, that's it? Dude, you barely cut anything. Because he's just doing some of done. Like, are you sure you're done? And you could tell he really wanted to go back to this phone call. And I wanted to yell at him, but I thought, who knows if I see him again? Let me give him some respect. I'll pay him the money. I'll give him probably $1 or $2 in tips, no more than that. And I'm gonna be about my way. And this was back in the days when I used to give tips to anyone. Nowadays, I wouldn't do something like that. But back then I thought, let me just throw $1 or $2 his way. But afterwards, I just felt so annoyed because my hair was so lopsided. I paid this guy money. He didn't do a good job. And I felt frustrated. And anytime I was trying to vent my frustrations to someone, they kept giving me resolutions. They're like, Armani, did you take a picture with you? I said, I took a picture. Someone else said, well, why didn't you tell him that he missed a couple of spots? I said, I did say that. I said, hey, bro, you missed this. He sighed. He cut that. And then he thought he was done. He was already taking my that little towel thing off. He wanted me to get off his seat. I was trying to explain it to them. Bro, you had to be there to understand what I was going through. But all these guys were too busy trying to give me resolutions. And I thought, this is really annoying. Eventually, I go on Google and I type in getting a bad haircut. And that's when Reddit came in clutch. I saw plenty of people had experienced the same exact thing that I had experienced. They were talking about how they also got a bad haircut. They talked about how their barber was rude. And they talked about how, for whatever reason, they paid the guy money plus tips, but after they regretted it, sort of like me. And when I saw that someone else went through the same exact experience as me, that's when I contextualized what I was currently going through. See, when people were giving me resolutions on how to feel about this situation, I felt anger. But when I saw that someone went through the same thing as me, I felt calm. And that is one thing you want to do with Reddit. Whenever you're going through a strange moment, you want to go on Reddit, or for some reason, I still like to go on Reddit directly. I always go on Google. I'll type in my situation, and then I'll put Reddit. Barber messes up my hair, Reddit. Rude waiter, Reddit. Random stranger yells at me, Reddit. And each time I'm surprised to see it populating with someone else who had an identical experience. And that's when I realize I'm not alone. When I realize I'm not alone, that's when I contextualize the experience and I enhance my emotional intelligence. So the next time that you have a communication skills problem, rather than looking for solutions, pause, go on Google or go directly on Reddit, explain your situation, then put Reddit right after, and you will be shocked to see how many people went through the same exact experience as you. This problem, it's not personal to you. It's a problem that many other people went through. And when you stop personalizing your problems, that is when you will be calm about how to respond next. If you enjoyed today's talk and you want more insights like this into emotional intelligence, be sure to check out the ArmaniTalks free daily newsletter. Every single day at 7 p.m. EST, you will get a brand new newsletter that will help you level up your EQ, your social intelligence, your public speaking skills, and much more. Join the tribe by going on ArmaniTalks.com/newsletter and sign up today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.